So far we are on this journey of doing one of the parts that I hate most when it comes to design, and it's called documentation, but because we have to do it, so let's continue. So now I'm going to adjust my elevations so that they just at the right place. So this one I want it to begin from here. So just make sure that your elevations, they are at the right place, and you want your drawing to be within these elevations. So also this one, let me pull it closer. I think we will show the location of I think you can have septic somewhere here. For now, this one I can have it here, then I do here. Right, so we are going to do just one elevation, then other elevations you'll do on your own. Okay, I can't do everything, man. I can't repeat stuff, like it sucks. So for this one, once you open this elevation, it is an east elevation. If you don't have any elevations here, all you have to do, you can click on the elevation and open it, or you come here and you go to, I think it is view map or what. All this will show you. You come to project map, then you can see elevations. So you choose the elevation that you want. So I'm going with south one because it is the front elevation, and it is the elevation with a lot of details. So once you open the elevation, you right click and you choose elevation settings, and you want to go to status. On general, you click on general, then you come to status. You want to switch it to drawing. Then you click OK. So now I'm the one who will be able to effect changes according to what I want. So this is the wall that I have. The most front wall is this one. So I click on it and I click here. I go to block, running block. If you can't see running block, you can change from here. You can be able to move from different hatching styles or fill types or fill patterns. You can be able to change from here. If I click the first one, you can see what I get. If I click the second one, you can see what I get. If I click the third one, you can see what I get. So I'm going with the second one here, and I'm choosing block running. Then the first color I want is to be black, and the next one is to be white. Okay, then this one was also a wall, so I can click on it. This one, even this one. So let me group. You can do more on them, but I don't want to do a lot in terms of coloring. I just want, where we have masonry, we indicate that it is blocks. Okay, yeah, this guy gets it. Okay, so let me not complicate it. I feel like complicating it, but I don't want to do that at the moment. I'm so tired. So let me just go with the block running. And for this, we are going to switch to this color now. Let's switch to this and this one. Okay, then what was it now? Then this one, we are going to do running block, and we do this one is the fattest one. So I'm going to use this and this. I just want it to appear like it is somewhere far. Then for this and this, they are the same location. So I go with running, and I use this one and this. Okay, so this one is the one that is a little bit far, so you can change if you want. You can even use that, so that when you do the visualization, it will look like it's somewhere far. Even this one, let's change a little. I want that difference to be seen, so let's do this. Okay, Then for this you can do any type of renaming. Now I can switch on this one. It is on. I don't know what I was talking about, so let me click this. If you want, you can also render them to show whether it is up front or back, but I feel like that's just taking a lot of my time, so I'm tired. So let me use, which texture can I use here? This one. You can use any texture that you're okay with, but for me personally I'm not okay with that, so I will switch to this and try to find a texture that I like. This, I can use that. Let me use this one. Yeah, it's more like plaster, but for us we are going to do white because we're going to do, because when we print it will be visible that way anyways. Then for this, guys, I'm going to do black, similar to this. Let's just select all of them at once. That way. Yeah, so I was saying, man, thank you to those guys who usually support this channel. Yeah, they want us to grow. Yeah, I usually get a lot of some people, they remember me hapo kwa M-Pesa, man, which is kind of good. And it makes sense because you see, I'm helping you for free. You're not paying any fee. You are going to land on clients and to do jobs for them. It makes sense if you do a good job for your client and they pay you well. You also remember me. You're like, man, kulanyama. These are the best guys. But those ones who just download my videos and they flash me and or they send me, please call me. I call back and they tell me, hey, I used your video to do a job for a client and he paid me. Man, go. Never do that, man. So like, what are you telling me? Is it not that I helped you, I got you to land on a good job for your client, but now you're telling me that you did, and you're again telling me that you have my videos, you downloaded them and it helped you to get a job for a client and you got paid, and you see you have not, man, contributed anything for me, because when you download the video and you don't watch it on this one, we can do this, or we can do mason, or we can show it is concrete. Like when you download the video, so let's do this for now. When you download the video, I don't get any like ad revenue from it from YouTube, so I'm not getting any ad revenue, and again I'm not getting watch time. You're denying me watch time, you're denying me everything, because you downloaded the video with either Vitmate, or some people use IDM. I also have IDM, by the way. Some people use IDM or some other softwares, so in the end I don't get anything. So for this one, man, you have to indicate here, you have to show the elevations for this. You have to indicate here. It is wise, if you're the one who's going to do it, you have to show the elevations for this one. I'm not going to show it for now, but just that you have to show the dimensions for this also, here to here and here to here, here to here, so that when they go and set it out, it becomes easier for whoever will be doing the job. I think for this, let me turn them back to the other texture so that I see some conflict. Let me put it to space, then we do this and this. Yeah, So let's go to, so I'm going to repeat for all the others, or because of time, let me assume you will repeat for all the others so that they're this way. Then once you're done, what you go to next is you should record the section, or I just make another video for the section. I mean, go and repeat for all the others, or let me repeat for all the others, but I will make that to be faster. Let me go and do it, but I'll make it to be faster. If you want to replay it, just reduce the speed of the clip and you can watch through as it progresses. Okay, see you in the next one.